In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Google Meet with Calendly. This process will enable you to automatically create a Google Meet link for every booking you make through Calendly, streamlining your scheduling and meeting setup. To begin, navigate to the left sidebar of your Calendly dashboard. Look for the section labeled Integrations and Apps and click on it. This action will open up the integrations menu where you can connect various applications to enhance your scheduling experience. Next, find the option for Google Meet within the list of available integrations. Once you locate it, click on the Connect button next to Google Meet. This will initiate the connection process, allowing you to link your Google account with Calendly. After clicking Connect, you will be prompted to sign into your Google account, enter your email address and password as required. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the necessary steps to verify your identity. Once signed in, you will see a permission screen. On the permission screen, click the Allow button to grant Calendly access to your Google account. This step is essential for enabling the integration as it allows Calendly to create and manage your Google Meet links. After granting permission, a confirmation message will indicate that Google Meet is now connected to your Calendly account. Now that the integration is complete, you can add Google Meet to your Meets. Begin by going to scheduling section of your Calendly dashboard. Click on the event type you want to modify, such as new meeting. This will bring you to the event settings page. Once in the event settings, click on the edit button to make changes to your meeting details. In the settings menu, locate the location option. Here you will need to select Google Meet from the list of available locations. After making your selection, click the Save button to apply these changes. With this setup, every booking you receive through Calendly will automatically generate a Google Meet link. This feature ensures that your meetings are efficiently organized, saving you time and effort in managing your meeting logistics. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.